one other thing, the reason I didn't show the 240 volt, 240 does work. It works on this gauge. This is only rated to 180. I switch it over to 240 and this thing shuts off, obviously because I'm not plugged in to the 240 volt. But your adjustments also boost up the adjustment on the 240. So if I went from 119 on this, I would have been the same distance on the 240. So I would have bumped that up actually to 245. Actually show you real quick. For example, like I said, this thing's only rated for 180. It won't go above that. And since I'm flipping this switch, it's diverting the power from the 120 to the 240. So you wouldn't be able to see the voltage of 240 on this 120. They do sell the same digital AC voltmeters on Amazon that are made for 240, but I'll show you what I'm talking about right here. Upside down. From 125, I switch it to 240. It goes up. But if you look right here, a hair above 240. I switch it back to the 120. A hair above 120. Perfect.